Good morning, students. So today we will discuss the logic training kit. So this is the logic training kit. You can easily understand the logic training kits. So this is the logic training kits you can write. After that, so this is the use of your y1, y2 is a output. Okay. So this is the output buttons. Again, you can use of your input value. You can see. So this is the black A1, B, C, D, E is a you can use of your input value. Okay. So after that, so this place you can use of your breadboard. Again you can use of your this IC. Okay. So this is the IC, the gate will be changes, the IC will be changes. So first of all you can understand the IC number. Okay. So this is the IC you can use of your what is that NAND gate IC. Just simple. This is the paper you can use. What is that? NAND gate. So this is the experimental of your kit is NAND gate output will be displayed. Okay. So what is that? The NAND gate you use. So you can see the diagram, the IC number. What is that? IC 7400. So this IC you can use of your kit. Okay. So the truth table will be displayed. So the input value is 1. Again input B is 1. Output will be displayed 0. So I will kit can use how to input value enter, output will be displayed. Okay. So you can use of your. So already I will already prepare the wire. Okay. So after that the output will be displayed. After that how to prepare the single wire in your breadboard I will explain. Okay. So this one you can see the logic training kit. So this is the light will be blinking Y1. Okay. So first you can this is the off and on button you can use. So next one, so this is the first one 5 volt power. First you can use of your power wire in your include breadboard. After that the next one input value 1 wire, another input A value is 1 wire, B value is another wire and output will be displayed in your yellow wire. Okay. So directly I will explain the A value. For example, you can see the table. So what is that? Input value is 1 and another input value is 1, the output will be 0. So for example, next. So this is the input value, you can use of your button. Okay. So for example, you can use of your this one. Okay. So this is the on and off. You can use of your on button, input value is 1. For example, 0 means you can off. So this is the input value is on 191. So your output value is will be display the 191. So what is that? Again you can display what is the output? Output is 0. Okay, you can see the table. For example, you can explain the what is the listen. So input value is 1, another B value is 1, output is 0. So this is the on is 1 value, another B value. So what is the output is 0. So next one again input value is 1, output B value is 0. Okay. So what is the output? 1. So see. So this is the on off button. In your output is 1. So you can clearly understand what is 1 means. 1 you can display the light on option. Okay. Output will be displayed the 0 is off option. Okay. So right. So next one third you can A value is 0, again B value is 1. What is the output? 1. I will explain the kit. So A value is 0 and B value is 1. Okay. So what is the output? Okay, you can display the output 1. Last one you can use of your A value is 0, again B value is 0. You can use this value is output is 1. Okay. So this is the IC you can use of your kit. You can easily understand the truth table. What is the A value is input, another B value is input, output will be displayed. The output value is 1 is display, the light will be on. The output value is 0 means the light will be off. Okay. So this is the wire, already will be set the wire. Okay. So, for example, this is the very old logic training kit. Okay. So, this kit is available in your any store, you can purchase the kit and your direction of your any 5 student or 10 student you can merge, the output will be, for example, you can use of your training means you can purchase the output, you can display the training kit, you can use of your this. So, same thing software, the output will be displayed in your simulator in your computer. So, easily understand the 1 and 0, the value will be defined the output. Okay. So, after that, so this is the IC, you can use of your 7 layer. I will explain the what is that truth table. Okay. So, this is the truth table. For example, A value and B value, the output will be displayed. Okay, NAND gate. So, this is the word, you can use of your plus. Okay, you can use of your plus. So, this is the ground, the value will be ground in your output. So, the IC will be defined in your 1, 9, 2, 3, 4, the IC you can changes, the IC number is 7400, you can use of your IC in your output will display. For example, this is the value, so last 7, so this is the IC, you can use of your 7 means you can including of your value. Okay. So, this is a simple method, you can use easily understand the logic gates in your NAND, you will be help of your IC, how to input value in A and output value in B, and the Y1 in the output will display. For example, you can changes of your output, the 0 will be defined, so easily you can understand. Okay. So, this is the breadboard, you can use of your breadboard, the IC will be defined, the first one displays mine, this is the full and full of your on options. So, this is the full and full of your ground, you can use of your value. Okay. So, again you can use of your button on off, you can use off and on, IC including. So, which place you can including all that is available, you can IC including of your this place anywhere. So, which where you can insert the IC, so same pattern you can use of your 7 input of value, which place you can including of your wire. So, this the output will be displayed. Okay, students, thank you.